Hello, today we will build on the basics and focus on text formatting, one of the most important skills for making your document look neat and professional. So welcome back to our Microsoft Word tutorial for beginners. In our previous tutorial, we learned how to open Word, type text, and save a document. If you missed that, I recommend watching the previous tutorial first so you can follow along. Today we are focusing on one of the most exciting and useful parts of Word, formatting text. Formatting text is what makes your document look clean, readable, and professional. Here is what we will cover in today's lesson. Changing font and font sizes, applying bold, italics, and underline, adjusting text alignment, using text color and highlighting, copying and pasting formatting with the format painter. So let's get started. First, type this sentence into your document. Microsoft Word formatting makes my text stand out. Microsoft Word formatting makes my text stand out. Now let's change the font style. Highlight the sentence by clicking and dragging the mouse over. Or you place your cursor here and you hold on to your shift and press the right arrow key. Then go to Home tab. In the front group, click the drop down and select a font like Calibri, you can see, or Times New Roman or Arial. So I select Times New Romans. You will notice that the style of the text changes instantly. Next, let's change the font size. Right next to the font style box, you can select it, and to the font size box, you will see the font size box. Click it and choose a bigger size like 18, say 14, 18, 20, 22, and 24. So let me select 18. Notice how your text becomes bigger. Now let's try bold, italics, and underline. Bold makes your text darker and stronger. Click the B on the toolbar. Same thing in highlighting it. That is the B for bold, and the shortcut is Ctrl B on your keyboard. Ctrl plus letter B. Italics. Italics slant your text, and the shortcut as well is Ctrl plus I. Can you see? And underline adds a line under the text. Click the U. The shortcut for underline is Ctrl plus U. You can even combine them Try bold and italics together to make your word, really stand out, just as the way I just did. Next, let's adjust text alignment. By default, word aligns text to the left, just as the way it is. So, align left, Ctrl plus L, then the center, then the align right. Look for the alignment button in the Home tab. Highlight your sentence and try each one to see the difference. So, and let's see the difference. Center, align left, center, align left, and the align right. Now let's play with text color and highlighting. For text color, click the A with a color bar under it. For text color, let me highlight just this alone. So you can change the color. Red. For highlighting, click the highlight marker and pick a color like yellow. If you want to highlight a particular part, text highlight color. This works like using a real highlighter on paper. Finally, let's learn the format painter, a powerful time saver. Say you formatted one sentence with a special font, color, and bold style, and you want another sentence to look the same. Instead of repeating all the steps, just click the format painter brush icon. My name is Olabanji. So it copies all the formatting instantly. And that's our lesson for today. We learned how to change fonts and sizes, apply bold, italics, and underline, adjust alignment, use colors and highlighting, copy formatting with the format painter. Formatting might look simple, but it is the foundation of making documents look professional. In our next lesson, we will explore paragraph formatting, things like line spacing, bullet points, and numbered list. That will take your skills to the next level. If you found today's tutorial helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with a friend who is learning Microsoft Word. Work smart, not harder. See you in the next word trick.